This video explains how to prevent ads on YouTube from appearing. First of all, open Chrome browser and click Apps on the left top corner. Search Adblocker for YouTube. Then select this extension. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. This option will appear on the pop-up window towards the top of your Chrome page. Then open YouTube website. Click the search bar. Type in the name of a popular video. To ensure your ad blocker is working, you will need to search for a video you know has ads. You shouldn't see any ads playing before or during the video, nor should you see any sidebar ads. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.